A new report into how West Midlands Police deals with children has found the force needs improvement in several key areas. His Majesty's Inspectorate of Constabulary and Fire Services says the force must do more to gather information from children at risk. It also urges officers to properly flag those at risk and ensure they have the training required to handle cases of child sexual exploitation. West Midlands Police welcomed the findings, saying the report acknowledged the dedicated work of officers and staff who work in child protection, who face the most complex challenges. Assistant Chief Constable Jem Mattinson added, "Child protection's a complex area of policing and we know there's more we need to do. We've already put in place plans to focus on the areas that require improvement." The Chief Constable of West Midlands Police says the force is working hard to cut knife crime, but shares public concern after a recent series of incidents. Speaking at the opening of a new police station in Dudley, Chief Constable Craig Guilford said each one of those knife crime incidents is one too many, but the numbers compared to lots of other places are reducing very considerably. In the past 2 weeks, a woman was fatally stabbed at a bus stop, a 17-year-old was stabbed in the city centre, and a man in his 20s was killed in the Lascelles area. Mr Guilford described the incidents as troubling, but said knife crime is falling in the region faster than anywhere else in England. Energy bills for millions of households across Great Britain will rise in January after the industry regulator announced a surprise increase in gas and electricity costs. Ofgem says the quarterly price cap for January to March will rise by 0.2%, taking the average annual dual fuel bill to £1,758, up from £1,755. The regulator says that when adjusted for inflation, the cap's 2% or £37 lower than the same period last year. A major prostate cancer screening trial, the largest in decades, has begun in the UK. GPs have started sending out the first letters inviting men to take part in the £42 million Transform trial, funded by Prostate Cancer UK and the National Institute for Health and Care Research. Hashim Ahmed, the trial's chief investigator, said Transform is truly game-changing. The start of recruitment today marks a pivotal step towards getting the results men urgently need to make prostate cancer diagnosis safe and more effective so that we can unlock the potential of prostate cancer screening in the UK.